Hey, what's up, y'all?
Talk to him. What you gonna say?
Hey, what's up? Hey, go subscribe to me. It's IPUGG. Go subscribe to me.
Subscribe to him. Hey, I ain't speaking to you. How you doing?
I can't hold the jet. Well, tell him never know how he got his house.
Cooked already. Where y'all staying at?
That's Mar.
Let me record, man.
Cello, cello. All right, how y'all doing? What up? What's good? See, y'all people in the family. What you doing?
No, she got some out. Dude, vlogging, bro.
You know me, bro. Let's go. Yeah. Ooh. You too sturdy. Turn you in.
Yeah, he's
The only Dolphins fan I know.
I like the count.
Can we get an explanation for guacamole?
Yeah, avocados.
Well, Mexico.
They're healthy, you know. And
But they're Mexico.
you know, that's all I got, you know. Avocados are healthy.
Healthy stuff. All right. Now, I'm going to mix the gerbils. Don't you even want to hear the explanation?
No.
Have you ever seen a skinny gerbil?
Yeah.
Well, that one out of there.
Okay, let's go with spring break.
Okay, here again, in a different context. Here is my daughter. She's a teacher.
Yeah.
When spring
This will be
break
violent.
comes,
Yeah.
it is a healthy thing for her mentally
Okay.
to get away from the classroom where she can have rest, relaxation, and be refreshed.
Okay.
That's healthy.
Yeah.
That's healthy. Okay. An 800-pound gorilla.
Who said that?
Anything that 800 pounds can do with a got to be
That's all right, normally around 800 pounds.
Oh my God.
That's not an average weight.
I'm gonna go with guacamole.
Yeah.
Why am I not surprised?
Yeah.
No, because I mean it's so obvious. We're off to see the Christmas lights. Uh-oh, it's a little blurry.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Hey, wave, Mick. Hey.
Yes, we're excited. He has his camera. You have your camera for the photos?
Yep, I sure do.
Yes, we're ready to go. All right. I'm assuming I'm sitting in the back. There's Dexter. It's a little blurry.
Hi, everybody.
I gotta let it get a little clear. Can you put my bag
It's
on?
cold. It is cold.
Ooh, stuff.
It was toasty when we came
Okay,
in.
it's not going right.
Real hot when we came in. Mickey, Imani, you're warming up.
I am.
Boy,
Dexter's cold.
you need some leg room. Papa,
Yes.
can you bring your seat up a little bit? Lex needs some leg room.
This is the Woolworths where the sit-in.
It's dark over here.
I took a picture of it from the
So I zoom our cutting board, which is called the butcher block countertop. You have to clean it off nicely. Just make sure it's clean. All right. Okay. And we want to just, you can swipe. Oh, okay. Then take it out. Now it's not chilled, so we're gonna have to add some flour so that we can roll it. Okay. That could be long to digest.
It's Christmas Day. Got a couple Christmas presents down here. Oh. Open up some gifts. As you all see, everyone's still sleeping. Well, if y'all can hear anybody and Mama's up. But everybody else is asleep. But I'm up because, you know, Christmas, you wake up early and you open gifts. So I'm just gonna wait here, I guess, patiently in the dark until it's time to open up some gifts.
Oh, we have an attitude. What's with the attitude? Merry Christmas, babe. What's wrong? You ready to open your gifts? No.
Make that face. Let me get up, buddy. You got your speech ready?
You got to
Take
speak.
your hat, take your gift.
Lighting look good. Some good lighting.
See that? What you think it is so far? You know what it is? You get up early in the morning, you can't pull no wool over your eyes.
That wasn't the case.
I'm taking my time. I said, let's open the gift. Who is that?
My rap
Oh,
right
this is
there.
nice.
I didn't want it to get messed up.
Oh. That was very nice.
Oh, look at her. Oh, beautiful. Merry Christmas, everybody. I am taking a break from making some bread. I don't know if you guys have ever made homemade bread, but you have to let it rise and improve with yeast. So it's a lot of cooking going on right now, but just came up in the prayer room. This is our parents' prayer room. We're here. Well, I'm here. And people are kind of just relaxing. I think Dexter's getting ready. Honey, are you dressed? Dexter's been helping out a lot. We opened our presents this morning. It was so nice. Just, it's been a good Christmas. So, yeah. We just dug into Mama's sweet potato pie. I think I'll probably put the clip in before this so you guys can see. Delicious. And she does one like chilled and one warm, depending on how you like your pie. I'm a chilled, not sweet apple. Help us. I'm a chilled sweet potato pie person. So if you're like me, you like it chilled, okay, shout out, because that's the best way to have it. But yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs and put the bread in the oven in a second. Mama's cooking a lamb. She got some chicken going, some candied ham, or the honey baked ham, you know, and some mac and cheese. It's crazy down there. It's crazy. So yeah, but just came to get a little break and rest before the rest of the evening. Baby, you coming in to say hi?
Cool.
Come and say hi. Okay, so he wants to pretend shy. I already saw you on here recording this morning. Oh. Okay, I'll see you guys later. Look at him. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, babe. To thee. Help us, Lord. He's happy because he got a beard kit. That's why he's trying to stop in your head. We're about to do our videos for something that we need to get done. So, yeah.